I went with several friends to a restaurant, and we were part of a book club, and we were going to have dinner together and a fun evening. I decided to go down to the restroom before we got started. I reached over and opened the door and started to step in, but my foot caught on the threshold and flew into the bathroom and hit the counter in the bathroom stall and ended up on the floor.
One moment you're at dinner with friends, and the next moment an ambulance is on the way.
I was hurting pretty bad. The paramedics took me to the emergency room at the closest hospital.
They're feeling fear, they're feeling frustration, there's uncertainty about what's my next move, what's the next step I should be taking, and what's my future going to look like.
I called the insurance company for the restaurant. She basically kind of shined me on. I knew I needed help. I wasn't going to get any place by myself.
When you're alone against a giant insurance company, you're simply outmatched.
My job is to represent my clients to the best of my ability. That means shielding them from the insurance companies and from the defendants right out of the gate, helping facilitate medical care.
Ryan helped me locate the proper medical attention that I needed. He's a real sweetheart.
We have to figure out what went wrong and how is our client's life being affected.
Ryan very calmly, explained to us that he felt it was a good idea to continue to negotiate.
You don't want to accept a settlement offer early on while you're still treating for your injuries. It takes time to understand the extent and the severity of the injuries and the harm caused.
The moment the case changed was when we uncovered text messages between the two defendants in the case discussing the defect that my client fell on.
The companies did know that there was an issue there and had not taken the initiative to get it repaired.
They knew about this dangerous condition on their property for 6 months at least, but did nothing to fix it. And as soon as that came out, that's when we knew we had them.
Ryan is very calm and cool with me, but when he gets back to the office, he gets on it.
They eventually offered 35 times their original offer. That was justice.
Our client trusted us to tell her story, and consequently, we were able to deliver justice for her and her family.
You're like a babe in the woods out there all on your own, which you will go nowhere.
Insurance companies tell you that they're here to take care of you after an accident, but they're not. They're here to take care of themselves. They're here to keep their money in their pocket, and they're there to pay out as little as they possibly can. And if you play their game, they're going to win. At Fielding Law, we don't do what's easy. We do what's best for our clients. If you've been hurt in an accident, call Fielding Law. We can help you get your life back on track.